हाय एवरीबॉडी वेलकम बॅक. इनडेफिनाइट इंटिग्रेशन मधला आपण इंटिग्रेशन बाय सबस्टिट्यूशन मध्ये वेगवेगळे इंटिग्रलचे टाइप्स आपण बघतोय. त्या टाइपमध्ये आपण लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये बघितलं होतं 1/ax² + bx + c आणि 1/√ax² + bx + c आणि त्याच्यामध्ये कशा पद्धतीने आपण सॉल्व्ह करायचं ते पाहिलं. तर ते काही सिंपल्स एक्झाम्पल्स आपण बघितले. आता काही पुढचे एक्झाम्पल्स पीडीएफ मध्ये बघू आपण. त्यातला 12 नंबरचा आहे. 12 नंबर इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1/4x² - 20x + 17 dx. Therefore I is equal to integration of 1/4x² - 20x + 17 dx. Therefore I is equal to, first step is you have to take out 4x² - 4 5s are 20x plus 17/4 bracket complete dx. For the third term is equal to, in bracket, half into coefficient of x bracket square, which is equal to half into -5 bracket square. -5/2 whole bracket square is nothing but 25/4. Third term. Therefore I is equal to integration of 1/4 in bracket x² - 5x plus 25/4 minus 25/4 plus 17/4. Clear? Now dx, which is equal to, here I is equal to integration of 4 in bracket 1/4 in bracket x² - 5x plus 25/4 is nothing but x minus 5/2 whole bracket square. X minus 5/2 whole bracket square. Minus 25 plus 17. Minus 25 plus 17 is -8. -8/4. This 4 is common for this all. 4 2s 8. Clear? Therefore dx here I is equal to integration of 1/4 in bracket x minus 5/2 bracket square minus 2 brackets complete. I is equal to 1/4 integration of 1/x minus 5/2 whole bracket square minus √2 whole bracket square dx. This is in the form of x² minus a². Therefore we know that, we can write down here, we know that integration of 1/x² minus a² dx is equal to 1/2a log of mod of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Here I is equal to 1/4 in bracket 1/2a 2√2 the log of mod of x means x minus 5/2 minus √2 upon x minus 5/2 plus √2 plus c. This is your final answer. Otherwise you can write down I is equal to 1/4 1/2√2 log of mod of 2x minus 2√2 2x minus 2√2 minus 5 असं करा 2x minus 5 minus 2√2 whole divided by 2x minus 5 plus 2√2 plus c. This is your final answer here. Correct? If the coefficient of x² is other than 1, then you have to take out here that coefficient and make it in the form of quadratic equation. And quadratic equation without coefficient of x square is 1, or for that you have to find out the third term or perfecting square term here. Then perfecting square term is equal to half into coefficient of x bracket square. Therefore third term is equal to half into minus 5 bracket square, 25 by 4 here. We can write down like this. Convert this in the form of x square minus a square and write down the formula. By this formula we can get the answer. Okay. Next. Next, integration of 12 number 1 upon 5 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. Now I is equal to integration of 1 upon 5 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. I is equal to integration of 1 upon 3 in bracket minus 3x square minus x square minus 4 by 3x plus 5 by 3 dx. Taking out again minus common here, we have 1 upon it's 1 by 3 minus in bracket x square plus 4 by 3 into x minus 5 by 3 dx. Now third term is equal to in bracket 1 by 2 into coefficient of x 4 by 3 whole bracket square, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 by 3 bracket square, that is 4 by 9, 4 by 9 here. I is equal to 1 by 3 into integration of 1 upon x square plus 4 by 3 x plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus 5 by 3 whole bracket dx. Therefore I is equal to 1 by 3 into integration of 1 upon minus in bracket x plus 2 by 3 whole bracket square minus 4 plus 5 9 3 na multiply kara. This will be 3 5 is a 15, 15 by 9 minus 4 minus 15 by 9. Then this will be I is equal to 1 by 3 into integration of in 1 upon minus in bracket x plus 2 by 3 x plus 2 by 3 whole bracket square minus 4 15, that is 19 by 9 bracket complete dx. Now I is equal to 1 by 3 integration of 1 upon minus in bracket x plus 2 by 3 whole bracket square minus under root 19 by 3 whole bracket square dx. Therefore I is equal to 1 by 3 integration of 1 upon under root 19 by 3 whole bracket square minus x plus 2 by 3 whole bracket square dx. I is equal to 1 upon a square minus x square, therefore 1 upon 2a, 2 into a into log of mod of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Therefore I is equal to 3 get cancelled, 1 upon 2 under root 19 into log of mod of 3x, we now multiply 3x plus 2 plus under root 19 whole divided by under root 19 minus 3x plus 2 plus c. This is your final answer. Otherwise under root 19 plus 3x plus 2 or 3x plus this one. Okay. Now 14. सेम टाइप आहेत, तुम्हाला कन्वर्ट करायचं क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आणि त्याला परत परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर मेथड मध्ये आणायचं आणि परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर टर्म काढल्यानंतर यू विल गेट दी परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर एक्सपान्शन है ना. मग त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस ए स्क्वेअरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये जाईल. आता आपला आहे तो 14 नंबर. आता 12 झाला. 13 नंबर 5 minus 4x minus 3x स्क्वेअर आताच झाला. 14 नंबर 1 upon under root 3x square plus 5x plus 7 3x square plus 5x plus 7 dx. I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root, see 3 common, x square plus 5 by 3 plus 7 by 3 dx. Now I is equal to root 3 take out common here, square root of x square plus 5 by 3 plus 7 by 3 dx. I is equal to 1 by root 3 into integration of 1 upon under root x square plus half into 5 by 3, the 5 by 6 whole bracket square, 5 by 3 into x missing झाला होता 5 by 3 plus x plus 25 by 36 minus 25 by 36 plus 7 by 3 dx. I is equal to 1 by root 3 integration of 1 upon under root x plus 5 by 6 whole bracket square minus 25, 12 7s are 12 3s are 36 minus 25 plus 36 plus 84 sorry upon 36, 12 7s are 84. Therefore I is equal to 1 by root 3 integration of 1 upon under root x plus 5 by 6 whole bracket square plus 84 minus 25 59 by 36 dx here. Next step is I is equal to 1 by root 3. Here x square plus a square च्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहे under root integration of 1 upon under root x plus 5 by 6 whole bracket square plus under root 59 by 6 whole bracket square dx. I is equal to 1 by root 3 into log of mod of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. I is equal to 1 by root 3 into log of mod of 6x plus 5 upon 6 plus under root 6x plus 5 upon 36 plus under root 59 upon 36 plus c. I is equal to 1 by root 3 log of c1 talk about log of mod of 6x plus 5 plus under root 6x plus 5 plus under root 59 whole divided by 6 plus c1. Log of 6 now I is equal to 1 by root 3 log of mod of 6x plus 5 plus under root 6x plus 5 whole bracket square under root 59 square, that is 59 plus 59 plus c, whereas minus log 6 plus c1 is equal to c. This is your final answer. अशा पद्धतीचे सगळे आहेत, त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता. 15 नंबर एक बघूया. मेथड लक्षात घ्या, मेथड लक्षात घेऊन मेथड नुसार सॉल्व करायचा प्रयत्न करा. बस एवढंच काम करायचं. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x प्लस 20 इथं इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x plus 16 plus 4 dx. Why? Because half into coefficient of x, that is 8, half into 8, that is 4, 4 square 16, 20 will be 16 plus 4, 1 upon under root x plus 4 whole bracket square plus 4 means 2 bracket square. I is equal to 1 upon under root x square plus a square log of mod of x plus under root x square plus a square. I is equal to log of mod of x plus 4 plus under root x square plus 8x plus 16 plus 4, that is 20 plus c. This is the final answer. Okay. Similarly, 8 minus 3x plus 2x square in bracket x minus 3x plus 2. Again x square minus x plus 6. सेम त्या टाइपचे हे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. अशा पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला सॉल्व करता आले पाहिजेत. आपण नेक्स्ट टाइप बघायचं आहे यातलंच. इंटिग्रल ऑफ द टाइप. इंटिग्रल ऑफ द टाइप 1 upon a plus b sin square x. Integration of 1 upon a plus b cos square x dx. 1 upon a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c dx, or 1 upon a plus b sin square x plus c cos square x. कसं पण लिहू शकतो. Here put, here divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Therefore numerator will be sec square x. बरोबर आहे. आणि हा टाकला तर cos square नंतर tan square a tan square x plus b cos square डिवाइड करा plus c sec square x dx. Convert denominator in the form of tan x. A tan square x plus 1 plus tan square x plus b dx. Substitute tan square is equal to t, then sec square x dx is equal to dt. अशा पद्धतीने again it will be in the form of x square plus a square, x square minus a square. या पद्धतीने करायचं. बघूया सॉल्व करून. लक्षात येते का? या टाइप मध्ये एक्झाम्पल्स असतील तर डिवाइडिंग क्रॉस बाय cos square x म्हणायचं. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन 18 नंबर आहे 1 अपॉन. बाकीचे होमवर्क साठी करा तुम्ही 4 plus 3 cos square x dx. I is equal to integration of 1 upon 4 plus 3 cos square x, dividing third by numerator and denominator by cos square x. I is equal to integration of 1 upon cos square x, 4 upon cos square x plus 3 upon cos square by cos square, that is 3 dx. I is equal to integration of sec square x, 4 sec square x plus 3 dx. I is equal to integration of sec square x upon 4 in bracket 1 plus tan square x plus 3 dx. Put x is equal to, put tan x is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x, what will happen to this? Sec square x dx is equal to dt. ठीक है, मग काय होतं बघा, I is equal to integration of sec square x dx is nothing but dt, and 4 in bracket 1 plus t square dt upon 4 in bracket 1 plus t square plus 3. I is equal to integration of 1 upon 4 plus 4t square plus 3 dt. I is equal to integration of 1 upon 4t square plus 7 dt. I is equal to integration of 1 upon 4 in bracket t square plus 7 by 4 dt. I is equal to 1 by 4 integration of 1 upon t square plus under root 7 by 2 whole bracket square x square plus a square च्या फॉर्म मध्ये I is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 upon a tan inverse of 1 upon x square plus a square is nothing but 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a, means t upon root 7 by 2 plus c. Therefore I is equal to 2 to the 4, 1 upon 2 under root 7 tan inverse of 2t upon root 7, and t is nothing but here tan x, 2 tan x upon root 7 plus c. This will be the final answer here. Clear है? Similarly cos 2x, समजलं. पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज डिवाइडिंग थ्रू आउट बाय cos स्क्वेअर. डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये जे पण कोणी sec स्क्वेअर असेल यू हॅव टू कन्वर्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 1 plus tan स्क्वेअर, आणि मग वरती sec स्क्वेअर x dx येईल आणि 1 plus tan स्क्वेअरला tan ला पुट करा t, tan बनेल की sec स्क्वेअर x dx इज नथिंग बट dt. बरोबर आहे, त्या पद्धतीने सबस्टिट्यूट करा आणि पुढे चला. 19 नंबर इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 upon cos 2x plus 3 sin square x dx. Therefore I is equal to integration of 1 upon cos square x minus sin square x plus 3 sin square x. परत त्या फॉर्म मध्ये आला 1 upon cos square x minus sin square plus 3 sin square, that is plus 2 sin square x dx. Dividing out by cos square x, that is equal to sec square x upon 1 plus 2 tan square x dx. Put tan x is equal to t. Sec square x dx is equal to what will happen, this dt. I is equal to integration of dt upon 1 plus 2t square, 1 upon 1 plus 2t square dt. काय होईल परत, I is equal to integration of 1 upon 1 plus 2 कॉमन काढा, 1 by 2 plus t square dt. I is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of 1 upon 1 by root 2 whole bracket square plus t square dt. I is equal to 1 by 2 into a square plus x square 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. I is equal to 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of t means tan x root 2 वरती जाता root 2 tan x plus c. This is your final answer for this. आता एक आहे 20 नंबर, फक्त हिंट देतो, तुम्ही सॉल्व करा. sin x upon sin 3x. Formula for this: sin x upon sin 3 theta 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Take out sin x common, 1 upon 3 minus 4 sin square x and dx. Again, dividing third by cos square x, we have the answer. Means काय होणार इथं परत 1 sec square minus 4 tan square, and sec square is nothing but 1 plus tan square minus 4 tan square 3 tan square. आंसर काय येईल 3 plus 3 tan square x आणि sec square x वरती आहे. Put tan x is equal to t, sec square x dx is equal to dt. त्याच्यानंतर एक वेगळा टाइप आहे आणि तो टाइप असणार आहे तुमचा 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x, 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c, 1 upon a sin 2x. अशा पद्धतीचे एक्झाम्पल्स असतील आणि त्या एक्झाम्पल्स आल्यानंतर आपण व्यवस्थित सॉल्व करू आणि त्याचे आन्सर्स पण देऊ. तर जसं होमवर्क आहे त्याच्यामधला मी सॉल्व करतो तुम्हाला तसंच ठेवलं आहे, तर ते सगळे सॉल्व करा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.